The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Grayson County in north central Texas until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:24 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 1 inch of rain has fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2.5 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts up to 2 inches are forecast. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Sherman, Denison, Howe, Pottsboro, Whitewright, Bells, Tom Bean, Savoy, Trenton, Millwood, Dorchester, Valley Lake, South Maid, Luella, Bonnie, Ida, White Mound, Cannon, and Ambrose. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.